In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange pages in a PDF using a PDF editor like Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your file, move pages into the right order, and save your updated document with confidence. First, open your PDF in your preferred PDF editor. If you're using Adobe Acrobat, launch the app and open your document from the File menu or by dragging the PDF into the window. Give it a moment to load so all pages render properly. Next, head to the Tools area and look for Organize Pages. Select it to switch into a thumbnail view where you can see every page laid out in a grid. This view makes it easy to understand the current order at a glance. If your document is long, use the zoom controls to make thumbnails larger so you can read the small preview text or images more clearly. To move a page, click once on its thumbnail to select it, then click and drag it to the new position. As you drag, watch for the highlight or vertical bar that shows where the page will land. Release the mouse when you see the indicator in the correct spot. If you misplace a page, no worries. Just drag it again until it sits exactly where you want it. If you need to move multiple pages together, select the first page, then hold Shift and click the last page in the range. This selects everything in between, letting you drag that entire block as a single group. You can scroll while dragging to navigate through longer PDFs, and you can drop the selection at the beginning, in the middle, or at the very end of the document. Take a moment to scan the page numbers and thumbnails after each move to make sure the order looks right. When you're satisfied with the arrangement, it's time to save. Choose Save to overwrite the current file, or use Save As to create a new copy so you preserve the original version. Saving a new copy is a good habit if you're experimenting or sharing drafts. Give the file a clear name that reflects the updated order so it's easy to find later. That's all there is to it. Open your PDF, go to Organize Pages, drag your pages into the right spots, and save your file. With these simple steps, you can reorganize reports, combine scanned pages into a logical sequence, or clean up any out-of-order content in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!